Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the recipe for walnut pepper dip, one of the indispensable flavors of our Hatay. For our recipe, I used 6 to 7 dried hot peppers. Let's clean the seeds from the peppers. Then, let's place them in a deep bowl and add enough hot water to cover them. Let's cover it and let the peppers soften for about 10 minutes. Let's drain our softened peppers. Then, let's put them into a food processor. Add 1 cup of walnuts on top. Add half a teacup of tahini and grind. If the consistency is too thick, you can add a little water. I added about a quarter teacup of warm water. Let's also add a teaspoon of salt. And grind again until it becomes very fine. Our walnut pepper dip is ready this easily. Let's transfer it to a serving plate. Let's smooth the top and drizzle about half a coffee cup's worth of olive oil over it. I garnished it with parsley and crushed walnuts. Our walnut pepper dip is ready to serve. It's a very delicious recipe that you can prepare either for breakfast tables or as a meze. I hope you try it and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes, comments, and suggestions. Thank you for watching.